What's up, guys? It's your old pal Deluxe Chimp, and today I'm just out for a nice Sunday ride, relaxing, getting some fresh air, decompressing a little bit. Those of you who follow me on Instagram know that my ride on Friday, it didn't end very well, because I did a boneheaded thing and used the degreaser at the car wash on my Sportster. Nope. I used the car wash degreaser on my Sportster, and I turned all of my aluminum into ugly crap. And that really that really shook me, because the Sportster, that's my number one. That's my baby. Anyhow, today's video, it got me thinking. JP1970, he had a video out not too long ago. It was a 20 questions video, to get to know him better. Well, I'm not going to do 20 questions. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about me. I'm going to tell you about how Deluxe Chimp came to be, because a lot of you have been asking, like, what's behind the name Deluxe Chimp? Where did you come up with that one? We'll start with that. So, Deluxe Chimp was born out of a comment that the one and only Swamp Wizard, the man from Florida, at Shade Tree Surgeon, made. And this is going back quite a few years ago. And if I recall correctly, he was out on the Multistrada, riding with the crew, enjoying his day. And he got on a little bit of a rant about how people think they're special. And I'll do my best Shade Tree Surgeon impersonation. Ain't none of us special! All we are is a bunch of overglorified primates riding around on gasoline-powered death rockets, looking to get our kicks. And with that, Deluxe Chimp was born, because I thought about it. I'm like, well, what are we? Well, we are just a bunch of overglorified primates. That makes me a Deluxe Chimp. I'm just out riding my motorcycles, having fun. That's where it came from. That's the long and short of it. Nothing fancy. Just a comment by Shade Tree Surgeon. So a little background about me. I'm a former Pennsylvania boy. I moved to Colorado about 20 years ago now. I was chasing that girl, and I married that girl. Single file, ladies, thank you. Anyway, so I've been living out here 20 years, been loving it, because we could ride, when we get lucky, we could ride in the winter time. It's just the beginning of March, it's still winter. You go up high enough, there's still snow on the ground. But it's 63 degrees right now. So it's a nice, warm, sunny day. What else? What else can I tell you about me? I'm a simple man. I like my motorcycles. They're my pride and joy. I don't have any kids. I have pets. They're like... You parents out there will probably cringe when I say this. They're my fur babies. I'm sure they don't compare to real live human children, but I'll never know, because I don't really feel the urge to add to the human population, and neither does my wife. So it is what it is. You know, back to the bikes. I take pride in my bikes. That Sportster being messed up, that really caused me a lot of grief. You know, so I spent the day yesterday cleaning it, you know, repairing the mistake that I made, because that really bugged me, and there'd be no way I'd be able to ride and really enjoy myself knowing that when I get home, that messed up Sportster's sitting there. So I had to correct it. You know, before I could get a good night's sleep, that Sportster had to be fixed. It had to be good. Everything, hello, doesn't know the code of the road. Anyway, you know, the Sportster had to be fixed. It had to be, you know, polished up and, you know, ready to go for next time. You know, I'm a guy that takes pride in everything I do. You know, when it comes to my job and what I do for a living. If I can't do it to the highest degree, to the best I can do it, I don't want to do it at all. Because I want what I do to mean something. That's the long and short of it. Anyhow, I've rambled on, so I'm going to find a nice place to pull over and take in this view. So that's about going to do it for this one, guys. This has been Deluxe Chimp. That's the Continental Divide. I'll see you all in the next one. And hey, don't forget, if you like what you see, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you know when I have new content available. And until next time, ride safe.